Video Mike's train layout update number 1.
Hey, hi fellas, it's Nick. I went over to Mike's house. He invited me over there and he wanted to show me some update on his layout. He did a lot of nice work on the scenery, and I'm going to have Mike explain it.
Sure. In the back area here, behind the mountain and behind the track, I added green grass and some pine trees, along with some dirt around the pine trees, and also grass, green grass here. Green grass with let's see.
Really looks nice, Mike. You did a great job on it.
Blended turf, green blended turf. I still got more to do, but I just took a little time to do. Also, as we moved down here, I added more trees in the background here. At the end of my other track were trees and dirt, green dirt, blended turf dirt right here. And also for my gang car, I added green grass and some ballast on the track.
Really looks nice. Nice job on it.
Thank you. Yeah, it took some time too. Had to put a little effort into it too, a little time and effort. These things always take time. And that's it for right now. I plan on doing some more when I get some time.
That's great, Mike. And also, Mike, you mentioned to me you bought a new engine and some passenger cars.
Yes, I bought the Frisco Akito. Is that how you pronounce it? Akito engine and a tender. And I added the Golden State passenger cars to it, and a dome car to match the Frisco engine.
Really nice train.
It's a beautiful engine. Very heavy engine. Well built. It runs great too.
And it also has train sound on it,
Oh yeah,
right? The
also
engine.
has train sounds. Yeah.
And a smoke unit.
Smoke unit. Yep.
That's really great. I guess we can move down a little bit.
Sure. I could start. Well, I'll start powering up some of these right now.
Okay, which one you going to do first?
I'll do the outside Frisco.
Okay. I really like the whistle. So nice, and that bell is a nice sounding one.
Power up the inner rail here.
Okay.
Power up the center rail.
So a lot of nice train action going on here. And the gang car, he's going back and forth nicely.
Yep.
I noticed you have a post-war switcher up on the upper level. The Army car? Yeah,
Oh, cool.
yeah.
Army engine and Navy submarine.
Then you have an upper level with another switcher. Really looks nice, Mike.
Thank you.
The mountain with the snow on top, is that, that wasn't in our first video. I don't think it was.
Yeah.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
Really looks nice in the scenery.
I got that from the Grafted Exchange. Made with resin and hardwood. It's a heavy grid. It's a really solid grid.
That's really nice, Mike. And I see you got the Budweiser train.
Yep. I'm going to power that up right now.
A lot of nice train action going on.
And my Central HO set right now is being repaired. I have to do a repair on it.
Oh, that's the thing.
I have to work on that.
A nice looking engine.
Yeah.
Good thing we've got this powerful steam locomotive. Each of our 5 tails weighs about 2,000 pounds.
Well, fellas, I hope you're enjoying Mike's train layout and all the new upgrades that he did. So what we're going to do now is we're going to end the video. Hope everybody's enjoying it as Mike and I are. Have a great day. Bye now.
Hope you enjoyed the video. A comment, rate, and subscribe will be appreciated. Don't forget to ring the bell to get all the email notifications from Mick's channel.